Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about monthly budgets, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is how do you make a monthly budget template for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make a monthly budget template anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're just starting your online business and you're trying to keep it within budget and maximize profits. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and there's actually a lot of different ways you can do this. But today I'm going to show you the easiest free way you can set this up right away, and it's handled with Google Sheets, which is one of the Google Docs apps. It's a free app in the App Store. It's this red and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Sheets app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Google Sheets app. This is the home screen. Again, this is a free program from Google Docs. Now, in order to set up a monthly budget template, what you're going to want to do is click on this colorful plus icon down here on the bottom right. Once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and you want to choose this button here called template. It has a little paper icon next to it. All right, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the different free templates that are available in Google Sheets, and this is compatible with Excel. So if you need to export this into Excel for your accountant, that's going to work okay. And to set up a monthly budget template, you want to scroll through until you see this box here called monthly budget. I'm going to click on there now. Okay, immediately you can see the monthly budget template loads into your Google Sheets. Again, this is a free template to use. So it's zoomed in pretty much. You can do this on your desktop. I just do it on my phone because it's a little easier to film. So if you want to see the whole template, just pinch it and then you're going to see this. Now, one thing I want to let you know is when you are editing your monthly budget template in Google Sheets, you only want to go ahead and change these boxes that are written in pink. And the nice thing about this monthly budget template is it's automatically going to do the math for you. So here on this side, you're going to see the income for your online business. And then here you can go ahead and list off all of the expenses that you're going to expect. So first, what you're going to want to do for your monthly budget template is you want to start off with your starting balance. So let's say that your monthly starting balance for your business is $10,000. You're just going to click on the box and then you'll go ahead and edit it. So we have the starting balance at $10,000. So next, what you're going to want to do is list out all of the different expenses that you expect with your online business. You can also use this for a personal monthly budget if you wish to do so. But since my channel is geared more towards businesses, we're going to go ahead and update these from food, and let's just go ahead and change that to marketing. And then once you have changed the item, you go ahead and put in what you plan to spend for that particular item. So for a marketing budget, let's go ahead and just put in $1,200 and then click the green box. So you want to go ahead and add in all of those, and that's going to give you your planned monthly budget. And then what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and add in your expected income. So you can go ahead and list off your different clients or however you bring in money for your online business. And then what you can do is once you have entered in your planned budget, you're going to need to track all of your monthly transactions. And how you do that is click on this green button here on the top. You can see there's actually two different sheets. So for the actual spending, you can't edit that one because it's not written in pink. So let's click on this transactions button. And then here is the expense worksheet and income worksheet. So when you add in expenses and income, it's automatically going to transfer over into your monthly budget. So let's go ahead and add in another expense. So we'll do the date here. So we added in a date. Next, we're going to go ahead and enter in an amount. So we'll say that this transaction was $2,000, and then we're going to enter in a description. Let's go ahead and just keep it. We'll do it as marketing. Okay, so we've entered in a marketing of $2,000, and then we're going to click on the green check mark, and then we can jump back over to summary, and you can see that the marketing was automatically calculated. So we had a budget of $1,200, but we spent $2,000, so we are $800 over budget on our monthly allowance for marketing. So like I said, there are a lot of different programs that you can sign up to set up a monthly budget template. However, with Google Sheets, it is a free and quick monthly budget template that you can start using right away. Now, once you've filled this out and you have that set up for the month, you can go ahead and export it by clicking on these three little dots here on the top right. All right, once you do that, then you can go ahead and click on share and export. Okay, so now you can go ahead and share and export your monthly budget template by any one of these methods. Usually what I'll do is I'll go ahead and print it or save it as an Excel because sometimes my accountant wants to see it in an Excel format. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a monthly budget template, that's the quickest and easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.